Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you forgot the password or the screen lock, it's very easy to do. So just swipe on down from the top right, and we want to go to the power options right here, and we can just hit power off. Now, if you're not able to access that because of the lock screen, just go to the power button and the volume down button and press these down at the same time. It'll open up that power menu just like this. And then go to power off and then tap it one more time. And the phone is going to power off now. The key to get this into the recovery mode so you can actually use your phone again is have your phone turned off. Then use a power cable just like this, a USB one, and connect this to your PC or laptop. So connect it to the USB port on your PC and then connect it to the bottom of your phone just like this. So once you have it connected to the bottom of your phone, you're going to see your phone is going to start charging. And then we want to hold down the power button and the volume up button and hold this down for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now if nothing happens, let go and then press them down again. So I'm going to wait for that symbol to go away, and then I'm going to let go and press it down again. And now this is going to launch us into the recovery screen. So you're going to feel a little bit of a vibration. We'll see the Samsung Galaxy symbol. And now we're under this screen. Now we can use the volume down key and then go on over to where it says wipe data factory reset. So this is going to wipe all the data off your phone. But if you have everything backed up to Google Cloud or Google Photos, you should be able to retrieve at least your contacts, your messages, and maybe some photos and videos. So not everything is lost if you're using a Samsung phone, but you might have everything backed up to your Samsung account too. So you might have to check that out as well. Now just going over to Factory Data Reset, hit this power button, and it's going to continue on the process. And then when you log in next time, you're going to have to enter in your email address and password for your Google account, and then your lock screen will be unlocked as well. So you can just log in now and continue on normally. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.